Now we're going to learn how to pick up data from the user. For that, I have created a simple component which is called add product, which has just few text boxes, and I've not even added the button yet. But let's see how I've done that. So it's just text boxes for taking the product name, price, and quantity. And I have imported the CSS. The CSS is pretty straightforward right here. You can see just height and the width for the CSS. And in my app.js, I have imported the add product and I've created the add product right here. Let's flip them so that add product comes to the top and then the product is at the bottom. Okay, so let's flip and see the outputs. Yes, so I have the add product and I will see the add product at the bottom. Now, what I want to do is when the user clicks on the button, which I've not created as of now, so when the user clicks on the button, I want the user save the data that's entered into the text boxes. So let's write a button. Class name is equal to ETN primary, and we're going to call this. So that should give the button right there. So when we click on the button, I want something to happen. The conventional JavaScript is pretty easy. I could either provide an ID, pick it up, and work with it. But instead, how to work with it in React. For that, we're going to work on click. So we are going to provide a method name. So we will call this add click as the button's name. So let's go ahead and create the buttons function right here. So we say bar, say add click is equal to. I'm not taking any parameter, but I'm going to execute a simple function. Let's just call for an alert to check. Let's check this out. So yes, so when I click on the button, it just does call the add click right here. So when I work with the data, that is when I enter the data here, I click on the button, I want the values to be picked up.